temple breathes, but it is flawed. My name is crimes behind dead eyes. A silence dressed in sacred lies. Scrolls of fire in eggs of bone. Ancient scripts in tongues unknown. A temple stands on fractured stone. Breathing laws not caught by throne. Ancient in dust proclaim control, but hollow winds possess the scroll. Their eyes are glass, their hearts are sealed. The truth they stole shall be revealed. The construct awakes. He walks in flesh that bears no name. A puppet soul within the flame. Run from spells and silent fear. Preaching hope that draws us near. A sermon stitched from ancient lies. Carved from myths where silence cries. The stars ignore